Yeah.
Keep it on.
Yeah.
When you're lost in the red in Juarez and it's Easter time too. When your gravity's down and negativity won't pull you through. Don't you put on any else when you're down on Bog Avenue. They got some hungry creatures there, surely make a mess out of you. Well, if you see St. Annie, please tell her thanks a lot. Yeah, all is twisted and my stalks are all in a knot. I don't even have the strength to get up and crawl across the floor for another shot. And my best friend, my drummer, won't even tell me what it was that I dropped. Yeah, sweet Belinda, the peasants call her the goddess of gloom. She speaks good English, and she invites you up into her room. And you're so kind and conscientious not to go to her too soon. But she steals your voice and leaves you howling at the moon. If you're looking to get silly, you better get back to where you came. Because the cops don't need you, and man, they expect the same. I started out on Heineken, but I soon hit the harder stuff. Everybody swore they'd stand beside me when the game got rough. But the joke was on me. There wasn't even anybody there to bluff. I'm going back to New York City. I believe I've had enough.
train, mama, can't buy a thrill. I've been up all night, mama, leaning on a windowsill. If I die on top of the hill, if I don't make it, oh my baby will.
Need to go. Yeah, but paid on the way through. I paid at the other end. Just so.
I got you lying on tape, Terence.
Okay. Good though, wasn't it?
at the Kalsang, waiting for our lunch.